Microsoft Word tries to help us by providing some auto-generated alt text, and we should always check it to be sure that it's meaningful and that it's accurate. And remember to consider the context of the image, the reason that you're putting it in your document, and go by the context when you're deciding what the alt text should say. There's some other guidance that we've provided in the main module for this, so please check those out. Let's go to review, check accessibility, and we'll run the accessibility checker. So the checker tells us that it created an alt text for us and that we should just double check it. It's this one. We'll click on this and pull down the arrow and verify description. It says a painting on a table. It also tells us that this description was automatically generated, and based on the sort of behind the scenes information that the picture came with, Word itself doesn't feel confident that this is a good enough description. It doesn't know our context, but it's warning us that we're not so sure about this one. In this case, this is probably not a great choice. The painting is probably meant to display something, perhaps use of color, perhaps the sense of perspective. We're not sure because we don't have any context here with this. Depending what your context is, you would likely want to change that. So that's how you check. You can also, as we showed before, you can also right-click it and edit the alt text that way. And it'll, that's another way to check it. You don't have to go through the checker, but the checker lines everything up for you, and you can work through a document pretty quickly that way because they're all listed.